heading to the bus stop because we're gonna have brunch at Egg Smart, which we've been craving for a while. And then we're going to Etobicoke, Toronto, because Anne has a doctor's appointment because she needs to update on her needles and like stuff. We're at Egg Smart right now and we're ordering. It's really cold outside. Like it's snowing like crazy.
What you plan to get?
I don't know.
I have no idea either.
Omelet and always gets the classic Egg Smart meal. Full breakfast.
As usual.
This is the only place where I like their OJ. Like Tropicana is not that bad and all that, but freshly squeezed is freshly squeezed. Breakfast. So I got an omelet with green pepper, tomato, and bacon, toast, potato, and what'd you get, Anne?
I got home cut fries, some toast, scrambled eggs, and bacon and sausage.
We're waiting for the bus, and we're going to the dentist.
Doctor.
Doctor.
We have to go over to Toronto. We're so
Oh
far.
my god, moccasins and running shoes, and we're like this.
We're waddling. We're literally this. I'm like, bruh.
Like, I have really weird hiccups. Apparently.
We're inside the GO station thingy, and it's like all
The
empty.
train station.
And oh my god, people were just staring. He's like, if you just shut your mouth.
She says that I sound like I'm gasping for air.
She's like,
hello. Okay, so we're not outside. We're technically in, like, let me show you. There's Anne. It's like a tiny like waiting room for like buses and like streetcars. We don't know how to stop the bus. I think that's yellow cone.
that's really odd.
Next stop, 39th Street.
I don't know. Like, do you yell? A massive display case. Or display.
So there's nothing dishonest about the documents disabled.
Oh my god, it actually looks like cookie dough.
Look like cookie dough. Yeah, it's like mushed up cookie dough.
Okay.
Go for it, girl. Is it sticky? Keep it safe.
Yes. So let's try chocolate.
Does it feel? Does it have a nice texture to it? Not the reaction I was looking for, but okay.
You know that macaroons, like, when you first bite into it in the country, and then like once you like go in, it's like really soft.
Yeah.
Like literally, the softness is only in the middle, and most of it's crunchy. But for some reason, that's what makes it good. Like the flavoring and everything. It tastes like a real cookie.
Look at that.
And at the end, you know it's a macaroon, and it tastes like a macaroon, which is good. Good day.
We survived.
We survived the cold.